Hi again! Today lesson about Unity layout. It can be important for beginners, especially. I will show you how to use elements from the interface. On the top of Unity interface you have file. Inside this menu we can save, load scene or project, add build setting. It is important especially of the end of the project. Edit is next very important menu. Here we can find settings connected with inputs, physics, graphics, snapping options and much more. Last important menu is window, where you can find every window which is open or can be open, and also you can go to window layouts and you can change a view of interface if you like. Lower we have option for moving, rotation, scaling, etc. In the middle left part on the screen we have hierarchy window. There are objects from our scene in the list. You can create there easily relations between transforms of objects. You can create other objects. In the middle we have game window and scene view. Game window is a rendered camera view. Scene, it's a graphical representation of objects located on the scene. On the right side in the inspector you have displayed components in game objects, which is focused. At the bottom we have console with errors and project. In project tab we can find our graphics, elements, code, scripts and much more. Everything what is inside our project. So see you in the next video.